Hello, today we're going to show you how Awell can be integrated with your in-house built infrastructure, which can be your EMR, your CRM, your practice management system, and two, how it can be used to update your care flows with zero engineering lift. So imagine you want to update your onboarding flow or a triage flow, and you can just let your clinical staff take care of it versus creating yet another Jira ticket that would never be picked up by your engineers. So for the purpose of this demo, we've used Retool, a great solution to build internal applications. So when going into the demo in a second, just imagine you're looking into your EHR, your practice management app, and then everything that you will see is being powered by Awell in the backend. So I'll now hand you over to Raul, who is going to show you how it's done.
So I've created a very simple pathway to start. It's got two steps. The first one is an age verification form. It asks for the birthday of the member. There's some simple logic that says that if the member is over the age of 12, then we can go to step 2, otherwise nothing happens. So very, very simple. There's a form in here. Both of these are to be done by the care team or goes into the care team queue. So here's the app in Retool that I made. I've taken the liberty of creating a patient already, Henrietta. She's going to represent our member that's going to be part of this CareFlow workflow. So I'm going to go ahead and select this pathway and start it. And then I'm going to jump into the task queue mode. So in this, we can see the task queue for the care team. I've already got a task in here, which is an assessment, which is the age check. So unsurprisingly, we have that. I'm just going to open it up. And here you can see that it's the assessment that I need to complete. There's only one question for now. We just want to know the current age of the member. So I'm going to go ahead and submit that assessment. And you can see that we've completed that assessment, submitted it, and now we have the next assessment popping up automatically. And that's based on the logic that if they were over 12 years old, then we can see the next assessment. And if I go ahead and open that up, you can see there's some more questions here. Continue filling them in. That's the basic thing. Now, I'm going to head back into the studio and show how quickly we can propagate changes. Now, say I edit the form, I realize, okay, I first need to ask a yes or no question at the top. Were you able to meet with the member? I'm going to say the answer is required. That's the only change I'll make for now. I'm going to head back and publish the CareFlow. So I've now got a new version of the CareFlow, and that's going to propagate through into our orchestration. I'm going to fetch Henrietta again, and we're going to select the Retool demo once more and start the pathway. Now, heading back into the task queue, you can see that I've got the age check assessment in the queue. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up that task. And immediately you can see that I now have the question of were you able to meet with the member? And I can go ahead and submit that assessment. And indeed, the very next task that I need to pick up is still there. So a small change very quickly made.
Hey, I hope this video helped you understand how you can easily integrate care flows into your in-house tech stack, so your CRM, EHR, practice management system using the Awell Orchestration API, and also how you can update care flows with zero engineering lift leveraging the Awell features. So by giving your non-engineers to power to update care flows without needing to create yet another Jira ticket and hoping the work gets picked up, you can easily save more than 100 hours of engineering resources. So make sure to check the description below or get in contact with us if you want to know more. Talk soon.